Hi everybody, my name is Seth Bani. Now in this video, I want to show you some few resources that I have that I want to give you. Okay, and this has to do with some brushes. We also have some custom shapes, 2,500 shapes, custom shapes that you can use in Photoshop, and then also some few other floral shapes and some patterns as well, and a gradient that I use often. Today I want you to have them all. I wanted to show you how it also looks like. Okay, so now this is Photoshop. Okay, and to access the brush, I'm going to show you how you're supposed to get these brushes and how to use them. Okay, so now this is my brush. Now as you can see, it's just one brush. Okay, it's 20 underlining brushes. Okay, so you click on it and then you are able to choose over here. You can also go to Windows over here and then go for brush settings. This is going to pop up for you. You can see how they look like, the shapes that they are. Okay, this brush is quite interesting. Okay, so you can just click over here and then create a new layer and just let's reduce the size a little bit. Just put it here like that, and then you just drag it on top of it. It's more like underlining stuff, or you can even choose another one. Let's see which one we can choose. Let's pick this. I think this is going to be interesting. Let's lower the size a little bit and then let's paste it there, so you can see how it looks like. You can use it in your designs. These are crazy stuff. I mean, this is very interesting. I use it a lot for just to add some few dynamics and interest to my designs. Okay, now this is the brush. Okay, I want us to move to the gradient. Okay, and then the gradient, this is the text that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to show you how to get it. Okay, but I just want to show you how to use them first. So you double click here and then let's go to the layer styles. The layer styles, I'm going to go to the gradient and then I'm going to go here and you can see how they are. I mean, this is crazy. Let me put this over here and then let's work with it and then you see how it is. Okay, this is just amazing. You can even click on reverse. Okay, and you can just select more of it. I mean, this is interesting. Okay, let's say this is good. Let's see. For you can choose this as well. You can choose this as well. You can choose this. I mean, it's a lot of it to spice up your work. Okay, let me say we are going to pick this one. You can double click on it and then just work on the scales over here. Oh boy, that's just for the gradient. Now I also have patterns as well. All right, and then the patterns, this is how the patterns look like. The patterns, you can see how it gives it a very natural feel, artistic feel. Okay, and even groups it in a folder for you. Okay, let me see. I think I have 2 patterns over there, or even 3, perhaps even 4. Okay, so this is the antique pattern. Okay, so you can see how it is. And you can even change the opacity, and you can also change the scale. All right, let's go back to the antique pattern. A lot of it. You can use it for walls, backgrounds and stuff. Okay, so that's for the antique. Now let's go back to the neon patterns like this. Also, you can use it for the backgrounds and stuff like that. This is also very nice. And then we have the patterns itself. There's not a lot, but you can feel it in the background a little bit. Let me zoom in so that you see. Okay, it adds a very subtle effect over there. Now this helps to make your design interesting and very appealing. Patterns help a lot. I use it a lot. Okay, and we have these ones as well. Okay, you can see how it's working in the background on the text. You can see how it's doing. So guys, these and many others are for your downloads. Okay, let me close it. And then finally, I want to show you the shape. Okay, the custom shape. You want to go here, right click it and go for custom shape. Alright, and then over here you can see we have some shapes over here. Now the shapes are normally wild animals, leaf, boots, flowers, but then I have 2 more custom shapes for you. We have the floral. Okay, you can just hold shift and then just draw floral like that. Let me hide this so you can see how it looks like. Very nice flower. You can draw your own leaf. Okay, you can draw your own leaf like that. Interesting, right? and then click on the move to, and then you can move it about. You can just move it about like that. Okay, and that's not all. Apart from the floral, let me hold here and drag it down. You can see the different floral stuff that we have over here. This is very interesting, guys. I know you're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. Let me use this one to let me see. Okay, so you can see this stuff are very good. Okay, graphic designers, we need these stuff a lot. So let me create a new layer again, and then this time let's close the floral shapes, and then let's pick this one. These ones are the normal ones that we have, except that these ones are 2,500 shapes, custom shapes, 2,500. And so there are many of them that you do not have in your itinerary or arsenal or whatever it is. Okay, so they are all over here. You're gonna need it, guys. You're gonna need it. Okay, and so I am doing this because I want to give you some free stuff, okay, so that you can use for your projects. And this is how you're supposed to install them. Okay, for the brushes, you click on your brush over here, and then you click over here, and then you see the this over here. You just double click it, or you just click it once and go to import brushes, and then you go and find where the brush is, and then you install it. Now I am going to put it on Google Drive for you, and I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can easily install it. Okay, so you download it, you would extract it, and then you would install it. And then that's with the brushes. If you want to do the same thing with your gradient, I want you to double click actually on any of the layers over here, and then go to gradient overlay. Once you go to gradient overlay over here, click over here and click here, and then go to import gradient, and then go and locate where you downloaded the files, and then click on it and then load it. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing with the patterns as well. Click on the patterns, and then you want to open it, and you want to click over here on the settings, and then go to import patterns. Wherever you downloaded it, go and then select all the 4 of them, and then install them or load them. And then finally with the shapes, okay, with the shapes, you want to go here to custom shapes, and go here to custom shape, and then you want to click over here, and then over here click on it, and then go to import shapes. Okay, and then you go and find it, select it, and then hit on the load button. And also, guys, remember, I have PSD bundles and packages that I'm giving out to people. If you feel like you are in a hurry to just design something and give it to somebody, I have a pre-designed templates for you that you can use. I also have a graphic design course. You can just get it at a very low price, and then it's going to turn you from a newbie to a master graphic designer. Alright, so see you in the next video.